Naresh, alongside scale, resiliency also seems to be a focus, right? So, how does FTAS validate convergence and recovery under infrastructure failure scenarios?
Yes, Shruti, the resiliency runs through the whole FTAS across releases. We deliberately inject failures like node failovers, link flaps, container restarts, route push and withdrawal, and we measure how the fabric responds under these conditions. Each of these cases has its own defined upper limit for how long the convergence should take place, whether that's a node rebooting, a container restarting, or a link flapping. And this limit is set based on our own experience with Sonic or the customer recommendation or the community defined guidelines. And within that window, we expect the setup to fully converge and the traffic to resume. If it doesn't converge, traffic doesn't come back, or we see unexpected traffic loss, we mark that test case as failed.